Be ready. Start. The argument of Shri Ajay Kumar, learned district judge for the petitioner, that the contempt of the proceeding are not maintainable is therefore without any substance on the facts as disclosed and discussed herein above in the present case stop. The judgment in the case of Sachin Kumar Supra as relied upon by the learned counsel for the petitioner, particularly paragraph number 16, in no way comes to the petitioner so as to invoke the supervisory of the jurisdiction under Article 227 of the Constitution of India. Stop. It is no doubt true that the tribunal is maintainable, that the jurisdiction of this court, but at the same time it is not necessary for this court to interfere with the proceeding unless it is established that the proceeding are quorum non judice stanza. In the instant case, there is no material before us so as to demonstrate that issued a notice to the official of the petitioner again and again and answer of the contempt in this notice stanza. The capacity of the officers appears to be only to save them of liabilities, and they ought to incur, and it is a saving device for reason best to the official of the impleaded by name that the application of the contempt stop. There is yet another aspect, namely of the punishment that the tribunal stop. Supreme Court in such circumstances to entertain a writ petition would not, in the scheme of the Contempt of Courts Act 1971 read with section 17 of the Administrative Tribunals Act 1985, unless the proceedings are patently without jurisdiction or otherwise ultra-vires the Constitution of India or the provisions of any act. Stop. A writ petition may lie against an order of the tribunal refusing to issue that notice of the contempt in the apex court in the case of Surinder Singh Roy versus State of West Bengal and others 2015 SCC 514. Stop. The preliminary objection raised by the respondent number 1 incorporated in the interim order dated 16 December 2010 had not been answered in the said order, nor have we been able to find any argument on behalf of the petitioners that may dislodge the preliminary objection raised by the respondent. Stop. Further, as observed herein above, the tribunal itself had issued directions on 22 January 2008 that the order of the compliance in the contempt of jurisdiction, that the application in the order dated 1 December 2008. Stop. It was argued urged by the petitioner that ex facie of the case in the petitioner in the exerted that the authority under the registration of Indian Penal Code. Stop. That registration of the locus standi in the alleged that influence of the assertion that patently of the locus as well as in the High Court judge stanza. On the other hand, the court in the find that the cancellation of registration in the certificate of the interim order dated 1 June 2008 stop. The bereft of any merit. Full stop. Over.